Thank you, Mr. Sharma, as well as the organizers for inviting me. I first of all would like to congratulate CII on holding a conference on this very relevant and important topic of skill development in the youth and the need for skilling in our country. To quickly answer your question, there's always been a talk of the gap between the youth who come out of the portals of higher educational institutions, be it colleges and universities, and the requirement of the industry for certain skilled manpower. I think the main challenge on the part of the academia, to answer your second question, has been to be able to understand that gap, to be able to understand what kind of skills are required in the youth, which the academia should build. Be it at that time when we started Symbiosis Skills Universities, it was not a matter of chance, as most of you sitting here may be knowing of the Symbiosis brand in higher education. We just completed our Golden Jubilee, 50 years of higher education last year. And it was around 15 years back when I was chairing the Maharashtra government's committee on vocational education and skilling that we realized that students actually look at vocational courses or skill-based courses as the last option. And there are no aspirations in the students to go for these kind of courses. The reason being the low social acceptability in the society for skills, people with skills, unlike the Western countries. In India, all of you may be already aware, but majority of the parents who send their children for higher education are many times aware that it will not lead to a job. But still that undergraduate degree or that degree nomenclature is extremely important to students. The second problem that we noticed was the skill-based programs were very terminal in nature. So they were at the level of an ITI or a polytechnic diploma, as respected Sitaraman said in his speech as well. So in order to address these two challenges, we decided in Symbiosis to create a skill university where we will offer undergraduate, postgraduate degrees, but which are aligned to the high growth sectors and directly mapped to job roles. So today the students who join the Symbiosis Skills Universities in the last 7-8 years, we've had 4 batches pass out, and today we have around 11,000 students studying. The students who join our universities already know what kind of a job role they are going to get into. There is complete clarity of what education and skills they need to acquire, which will help them to successfully start a career in that sector. So I feel that the challenges can be met with by the skilling ecosystem, by giving this clarity to our young population of what are the job roles and what are the expectations of the industry around those job roles of both education, skills, professional competencies, so that students in higher educational institutions or skill universities can develop that during the academic programs. I also feel that the industry can come forward in a big way, and today I appeal to all of the industry champions like my co-colleagues here on this panel, as well as those who are sitting in the audience, that unless people from the industry like yourselves come forward and play the role of advocacy to parents and students to tell them what are the new emerging job roles. Because young students and parents have never seen the inside of your industry. So it's very important for all of you to come forward and say, this is what the job is, this is the kind of salary package you're going to get, and these are the skills that you need to acquire, so that the students and parents are more knowledgeable and they can then take up programs which will help them to acquire those skills. And that is the way you can integrate skills in the mainstream of education as well.
Amazing. Swati, I think you've touched on very pertinent points. You've spoken about the aspirational value of the job and how can we amplify it, magnify it to make it more socially acceptable. You also spoke about how could the job role expectation be clarified better